In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host your website on Hostinger in just 5 minutes. Whether you're bringing a new idea online or shifting an existing project, Hostinger provides a seamless experience that will get your site up and running quickly. Let's dive into it. First things first, head over to Hostinger's official website to kickstart the process of bringing your idea into reality with a stunning website. It's important to begin from the official site to ensure you're accessing all the tools and resources you need. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, look for the login button. It's typically located at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it to access the login page. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials. New to Hostinger? No worries, you can easily sign up by following the on-screen instructions to create your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to the Hostinger home panel. This is where you can manage all your hosting services under one roof. Now focus your attention on the marketplace section. Clicking on it will open a variety of hosting options that Hostinger offers. Next, you'll want to navigate to the web hosting section in the marketplace. This is where you select the specific type of hosting that suits your project's needs. Hostinger offers different levels of hosting services to cater to a wide array of website requirements. So take a moment to explore these options. Once you've explored the web hosting section, the next step is to click on Explore. This will lead you to a more detailed overview of the hosting services available, providing insights into what each plan offers. Exploring these options will give you a better understanding of what to expect with each hosting plan, ensuring you make an informed decision that aligns with your project's requirements. Now comes the crucial step of choosing a plan. Hostinger provides multiple hosting plans tailored for different user needs. Whether you're starting small or expecting a high volume of traffic on your site, there's a plan designed to support your website's journey. Carefully select the plan that best matches your site's current and future needs, and there you have it. With these steps, you're on your way to hosting your website on Hostinger. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for both beginners and experienced users to navigate. If you ever find yourself needing more help, Hostinger's support team is just a click away, ready to assist you with any questions you might have. Thank you for joining me in this guide on how to host on Hostinger. With these tools and tips, you're all set to launch your website and share your ideas with the world. Happy hosting!